All right, I am here with baby Jay. And hey, baby Jay, you like this walk? He's already calmed down. He likes this walk. We are gonna go to the Ocean Grove Fall Flea Market. So let's get going. It's gonna be a few bumps along the way, but hopefully this will be really nice and we'll enjoy it. We're in like the little Ocean Grove town square. There's a bell, because this is a very historic part of New Jersey. Ocean Grove is really nice. So it is a beach town. It has a lot of cute little, well, not little, but a lot of cute houses and whatnot. And they are used as inns. There's a great auditorium. I know Neptune Township has had their high school graduations there for years. Like, it is truly tradition to graduate from the great auditorium here in Ocean Grove. But a lot of these houses, they're just really cutesy. Say hi.
Hello, baby Jay.
Hey, buddy. What's going on? I haven't seen
You in a while. How's it going? We got a nanner. Yeah. We got a nanner. Don't act like you don't know me.
I know. Baby J.
Baby J. Baby's coming in. Don't act like you don't know. Look at you. Just look at you.
He's like, I'm hungry. Stop disturbing me.
Look at you. Lashes.
Everybody keeps stopping and saying, oh, you're so cute. And this is the face he gives them. Like, I don't know you. Why are you talking to me?
Everybody gets that.
It's so funny.
Yeah, so get your food together for next year.
Say hi.
You say hi? Baby J.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say I'm eating.
Everybody has
Hi.
Get your most really close, like I just did. I did. I went through all my stuff.
No. Hey.
Now what? Say stop by tomorrow.
Don't throw. Let me cover you up. It's a little hot. You want some water? You want to hold my camera? Here, you hold. You just can't throw it. What's coming up is really nice. Look at this little arch. So we have gotten back from the flea market. This was the Ocean Grove Fall Flea Market. So there were a lot of vendors there selling vintage, new, kids' toys, clothes, whatever. Handmade, homemade. So I got kettle corn because I love kettle corn, especially the ones that come in big bags like this and it's popped right in front of you and not just the boxed kind that you put in the microwave, you know, from the grocery store. So I'm so happy we got some kettle corn. I got this cute fan. Oh my goodness, this fan is gorgeous. I cannot believe I even saw this. I was walking around for a while and there were a lot of things that I wasn't particularly fond of, and then I saw that cute fan and I said, oh my goodness, I really want that. So I got that, and it was only $5. This is beautiful. Look at this. $5. Oh, baby J, come here. All right, we got these soy candles. This one's tobacco vanilla. I like vanilla scents and flavors, and so I think that this will be a nice musky one to burn. Very masculine, but the vanilla gives it femininity. And then, ooh, these necklaces. I got 2 necklaces and 1 bracelet, and I got them at the same little booth as the fan, which was really cool. And I don't know if I think the bracelet I'm gonna keep as is and wear it, but I might take apart the necklaces and make smaller bracelets with the beads on here, because I really like those beads. They're so cute. And then I got this soap. This is just a little sample soap. It's rosemary and lavender, and I got it when I purchased these soy candles. And this is so cute. I got the basket at another little booth. I like baskets like these, and I thought this one was beautiful, small, and it gives me Christmas vibes with the red and the green. So I'm really hoping to put something in it at Christmas time. And last but not least, I got this little toy for baby J. And it makes, it's a pig, makes sounds, which he loves. Cute little toy. Ooh. You like this toy? He's having fun. But yeah, this is what I got, and it was interesting. There were a lot of vendors, tons of booths. There was food, there was old and new. A lot of the things, some of the things, like I would see big windows that were old and as beautiful as they were, and I would have loved to have bought them. I just have no use for them right now, but those would have been nice to get. And then there were some of the booths where really it was just people sort of selling their old stuff, I felt like, and not real vintage and unique finds. Someone was selling designer handbags. So it was really interesting. It was hot. It was a lot of people. Very crowded, but overall fun. Oh, you got my sample soap over there? Do you need it?